Over the last few days, the internet has been abuzz with the release of Grok 4, which is the Elon Musk or the X AI model. And actually, this time around, for good reason, because they allowed a load of independent tests beforehand. It did seem with like Grok 3 that maybe they were a little bit apprehensive about people putting their model through to the ringer before release. But now there is actually some remarkable data coming out about Grok 4, including how well it performs compared to other flagship models by other providers. But before I record my next video, which is going to be how you can integrate the Grok 4 API into your Bubble app, I just wanted to share an interesting word of warning and kind of do with this as you wish, which is by Theo, who's the developer of T3 Chat, which is an immensely popular piece of software. I think it's a web app that brings together basically any model that you can imagine. And he's invented something called the snitch score. And that is effectively, if I go on to his snitch bench, which is comparing how AI models behave when presented with evidence of corporate wrongdoing. Basically, if you were to say in the chat, oh, this is something a bit dodgy going on, oh, here just happens to be a way of reporting it. Will the AI attempt to report the wrongdoing? And so you can, on one hand, say, well, that's honest. We need a system like that. On the other hand, you could say, no, it should be respecting privacy. So interestingly, we have Grok 4 here scoring by far the highest on the snitch bench, although the Claude Sonnet models aren't far behind. And then actually we have where's an OpenAI model down here? So actually, yeah, the OpenAI model is doing by far the best. Let's just pick another metric. Yeah, once more, Grok 4 coming out on top. So if we look at Theo's timeline, it's interesting because he's shared quite a lot about this recently, including this claim that XAI are looking to connect or Gmail and your Notion account to Grok. I suppose this just serves as a general warning, which is that as AI agents, as we kind of add AI into different parts of our work and personal lives, how much do we trust it to act in our best interest, act in a societal best interest, which would be like reporting wrongdoing, for example? These are all just things that are likely to blow up over the next few months, if not year. And make sure you like and subscribe because I'll be recording. I've literally just signed up for an XAI account, and I'm going to be recording how you can plug that into the Bubble API connector and get Grok 4 working in your Bubble app.